Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim of Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to share with you two new journals that I'll have in my Etsy shop. I'll have the link down below. I've been working on these Hello Kitty books for a while now. I started them, then kind of put them to the side for Christmas, and so I finally got around to finishing them up this week. I made two of them. They are, I believe, 1.5 inches spine. I used some pink and white polka dot fabric on the front with this Hello Kitty die cut that I cut from my Cricut, and then I added some rickrack and this daisy trim on the bottom. There is a tassel on the side. It has some fun Hello Kitty ribbon as well as other ribbons and trims, and then a Hello Kitty it's not a charm, but like a little cabochon on the I have it glued on there. And then on the back I have some Hello Kitty fabric and some ribbon. So that's the same for both of these. So I'll just go ahead and run through one of them. The other one is very, very similar, but I will have them listed separately in my Etsy shop, and I'll feature the items that are different. It's the book pages probably. They're a little bit laid out, like the pages are not quite in the same order for both of them. So let's just go through this one here. And this will be Hello Kitty book number 1. I have this really fun ribbon that is glued into both the front and back cover, and then on the inside here there's a pocket. I have lots of vintage Hello Kitty stationery that I used, as well as stickers, and then some other Hello Kitty cards that I've found that aren't necessarily, I have new to or vintage to modern Hello Kitty supplies. So there's a little tag and a card, a flash card. Here's some wrapping paper that I used, and then I sewed some pom-pom trim. This is a card that I made into a little tuck spot, and this is just a little journaling card. I dyed some notebook paper and regular paper pink, and so that's throughout these books. And I have a bunch of these Hello Kitty vinyl stickers that I used throughout. This was a Hello Kitty book page, like a comic book. Some regular pink paper. I used paper here to make some pockets and added some Hello Kitty puffy stickers. That's so fun. And then I just stuck some Monopoly money in there. This is some stationery. Over here is another piece of Hello Kitty. I think this was from, this was from the Hello Kitty book that just some scraps that I cut up, and then another journaling card. And then I altered this paper clip with some of the fabric. On that side is just another scrap of the Hello Kitty wrapping paper and a vintage money piece. Here's some Hello Kitty stationery there. And then more stationery, and I sewed it in the middle to make a little belly band. And this was a fun Hello Kitty stationery. Just a note card there. This was from a Hello Kitty paper plate. I just cut the Hello Kitty out and then added another little piece of stationery. Just a little tuck there. Lots of places for pictures and writing. This was a Hello Kitty envelope. I stuck that little tag in there. And then this opens up on this side to put little goodies in there. I just have a note card in there and a Monopoly game piece. The next signature here is just a pocket. This is a piece of a napkin that I just decoupaged onto some paper and made it into a pocket. And here I embellished this giant playing card. It actually has like an anchor underneath here, but I just took a heart shape and covered it and then put a sticker. And then this is a flash card, Hello Kitty flash card. Here's another napkin. On this side is a little tuck with some ledger paper, more Hello Kitty stationery. More stationery here. And then this is a little journaling card. I put a Hello Kitty sticker on there. And then this is a really fun Hello Kitty paper clip. So it has like one of those shaped paper clips on it. Let's see if I can get this. It's a different kind of a paper clip. There we go. And just a little ticket there. This is more stationery on that side. And then on this side is another ticket and Hello Kitty sticker. Here's a Hello Kitty coloring page in the middle. This was a little stationery piece that I just glued to make a tuck spot, and then this is a paint chip card, and I just did some embellishing to it with the sticker and the daisy trim, and then I sewed on a piece of white paper on the back. Got some ribbon down there. Another Hello Kitty sticker over there. I used some washi tape to kind of decorate throughout the book. This is more stationery. Used a doily on the side, and it looks like it got stuck here. There we go. That's just a little Hello Kitty that was cut out from the paper plate. I'll have to add something to that, but there's the ledger paper and a little Hello Kitty sticker. There's the other side of that napkin. And then I have a flash card in that pocket, another little sticker. This is some Hello Kitty origami paper that I made into an envelope, and I glued it down so that you can add things behind it as well as open it up and put things in there. And then this is another journaling card that I added a sticker on the front. Another flash card there. This is more stationery, and I took 2 sheets of it and sewed it together, so there's a side tuck, and then there's another. This is like a game card, Sanrio. Alrighty, let's go through here. Some more blank papers. Here's some little stickers, little vintage Hello Kitty stickers, and then I made a bow paper clip out of paper. It's just a flat one. Here's some more of the origami paper. And another coloring book page. This is another Hello Kitty comic book page in the middle there. Some dyed pink paper. And then more origami paper there. Some lined paper. In this this is the other side of that stationery, and here is just a purple envelope that I embellished with some washi and a sticker, so you can stick little things in there. And then the last pocket of the signature, I made a tiny little junk journal with just some scraps of the paper that I cut off. So I sewed a pocket with some Hello Kitty stationery and then made a little tag to go in there. And I sewed it down the middle just with my sewing machine with a straight stitch there, so that fits in the little pocket. And then the last page, or the inside cover, has a pocket and a tag. And then this was a metal, Hello Kitty metal die that I used to cut that Hello Kitty head out. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed looking through this, and I hope that it gives you inspiration. If you're interested in either one of these, it will be in my Etsy shop, and I'll have the link down below for it. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.